Hello everyone and welcome to Barcelona. We are in the H10 Itaca. Now, it is a lovely hotel, this one. I'll show you a bit of the other parts of the hotel a little bit later. We actually don't know what we got. We ordered a standard room, we think. And as she gave us the key, she said, I've upgraded you to a larger room. So, we got a bigger room. You're coming through the door and straight away, there is a massive big mirror so you can see everything that's going on right now, which is lovely. We're going to move on to the wardrobe. It is a big wardrobe. I am going to open the doors if I can get them. You've got loads of hanging room, loads of storage space there, ironing board. You've got a safe and a few cubby holes down there as well. Plenty of storage. You've then got on this wall, you've got your aircon controls. It's interesting to try and figure out what it is. I think I've done it. I ain't sure. I pressed buttons. You're trying to get it cooler. But the temperature seems to be going up. Find out. We're then moving on to the bed. We've got a massive bed. It's massive. But next to the bed, you've got a bedside table, obviously with a drawer. You've got light switches for the main lights and the bedside lamp. But also a reading light as well here. And a European plug there as well. We've got the same on this side, I believe. Yes. And there is space underneath the bed to store your luggage. Right, we'll come back around this way. We've got some little amenities here. We've got coffee with a caramelised biscuit. Nice. I actually can't see any coffee stuff though. Is that what that is? English breakfast. I'll see if I can find some coffee. Doesn't seem to be there. We've got complimentary waters. You've also got this thing here which tells you, you scan it, it tells you all about the hotel. We've got some audio sockets here as well. We've got a massive TV and a nice little chair for Johnny to sit in. And a really big window to see out of. And actually, some people don't like these kind of windows because they think they're going to be shut in. But there is mechanical controls. Let me show you quickly. Just here. I press this. Or that. Oh, it's always very confusing. And then it opens. Which is possibly why the aircon wasn't working, because I did that. But yes. I'll try and put it back now. Oh, there we go. So, I've almost forgot it again. Let's show you the bathroom. This is beautiful. You've got straight away a nice big toilet and a bidet. That's to wash your bum. You've then got hairdryer in here, hand soap and body wash there, a few cups as well. You've got a vanity kit. We've got sponge, a shoe shine sponge, shower cap, shaving kit, comb, and dental kits. A nice big massive mirror. Loads of space on the worktop there. But then you've also got this massive bath shower here. So you've got the shower out there, bath all the way down here, and a bit at the end to sit on. Oh, what's here? I just found a mirror. Got a window. They also provide you with conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. This looks rather fancy. I think we're going to like this. I'm going to show you a bit more of the hotel a bit later, and we'll tell you how we get on, because we're staying here for one night in Barcelona. I'll tell you how we get on a little bit later. This was a really nice room to stay in. The bed was nice and comfy. We slept well. Couple of things. The toilet, I'm going to show you. The toilet roll holder is so close. I don't know if anyone spotted this when I did a review. It's so close to the actual toilet. When you sit on it, it doesn't actually, you can't sit on it. I couldn't sit on it properly. It was attacking me. And also the aircon isn't amazing. We've had it on since we got here, and it hasn't gone down in temperature in the room. But that's two very minor things. The rest of the room was brilliant. We couldn't fault it. When we wanted a coffee maker, they brought us a Krups. I don't know if I showed you this. This is what we had for our coffee this morning. We had a Krups coffee maker with coffee. So that was that. It was a really nice day. We would 100% recommend H10 Itaca in Barcelona. So that's it from this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ding that bell so you get all the notifications of what we're up to. Johnny's just chucking things at me because he's trying to pack up. All that's left for us to say is safe travels. Thank you for being a friend. Bye!